Greetings my friends and welcome back to another trade video. Today we have a trading session, with an individual trading session with one of my students. So I'm going to show you how it goes. It's super simple. This is available for everybody. If you are a member of my trading team, you can join already today and book your own individual trading session. It's going to be super simple. What you're going to do is simply join me. I'm going to perform the analysis. I'm going to give you a position, a direction of the trade and the trading asset that we're going to be performing the trade on. And as simple as that, you can follow the trades and trade alongside me. Of course, I'm going to be also placing the trades that I have analyzed. So this is a win-win situation where you get to learn how to trade, where you get to get a little sneak peek into trading and also make a little bit of money. So if you want that, make sure to check out the link in the description below. But this is not the only thing that you can get in my trading group. We have daily trading sessions with my team every single day from Monday to Sunday, so you can become a part of that, of course. And we have trading robots of all calibers and all sorts. So if you want to trade on OTC market completely automated, we have that. You want real market, we got that. You want a little bit more freedom, we have the robots that allow you to select the asset that you want, the time frame that you want. So whatever you need as a trader, we got it for you. So check it out, link is in the description below. And now let's start analyzing the market and let's see if we can find something nice for our trading session today. Let's go. All right, we are all set. We have everything that we need. Now we just need to find an asset. Let's look through these assets. We're going to perform maybe a few trades on 1 minute, maybe a few trades on 3 minutes, depending on how the market looks and what situation we can find. Today I'm gonna look into OTC market a little bit, but also we're gonna see if we can do some real market. But for now, let's go to 3 minute candles. Let's see what type of situation here is. And this is going to be our first trade, Australian dollar, United States dollar, OTC. So let's send it, and the process is entirely simple. Now we're just waiting for this candle to close on 3 minutes. We're going to take a sell position here. And once again, this is extremely easy. And if you are getting into trading, you need something to fall back on. You don't want to go into this completely on alone. This is why these trading sessions can be of great help to you. We're gonna wait for this candle to close. We want to see some rejection because this might be the start of an uptrend. However, I am looking for a sell position here. So now we should be starting to see a rejection on this candle. So let's wait for a little bit and see how this plays out. And in a couple of seconds, I'm going to send a message right now, 3 minutes sell. And this is what we're gonna do. So let's wait 10 seconds left, and we're gonna place it right about now. And 5 seconds, and there it is. We're taking a sell position here. And we are good. We placed our sell position, and this is a great execution right here because there is obviously a level here that we see. So the price should naturally start going down from this level. We have a strong candle wick here, all the way pushing the price down. So I'm not worried. Let's show it to our student here. So let's take a little screenshot and let's show them that there is a level here indeed. So let's mark it out for ourselves here. This is more like an area here. It is a bit smaller, but you can see it right here. The price does retest the level once here in this area. Then we start seeing it go back down a little bit. Another retest here, once again rejected with a strong bearish impulse, strong bullish impulse back into the level. And now we're looking for a rejection once again. So very simple. Let's send it to a friend. Very simple, very straightforward analysis, nothing crazy. I want the people who are coming to these trading sessions to understand the absolute essence of the trading of binary options. I don't want to give you overcomplicated analysis. All you need to understand is how to trade off levels. And then once you understand that, you can start delving deeper, you can start learning more, you can start understanding more. So this is all about doing the right thing at the right time. So you don't want to get information that is not useful to you right now. You don't want to get information that is going to be just clouding your mind. You don't want to have something that is not helpful and of no use to you right now. So this is why Always crucial to start with support and resistance levels. Once you master and start noticing patterns, candlestick patterns that signify the reversal, then you can start adding a little bit more spice to your trades, start seeing fair value gap and other things that will tell you where the price is heading next. But to start off, all you need is to learn the patterns, to understand the patterns, and to be able to spot levels. You see how we executed this perfectly, and this should be a nice profit for us and hopefully for our student as well. So let's observe the final 20 seconds. And once again, this is completely easy. This is doable by everyone. You don't need any specific knowledge. Very simple. You go into the market, you find a good stable situation, even if it's sideways market, wait for the price to hit the support or resistance level, and then simply as that, wait for a confirmation candle and place a trade in the opposite direction. And there it is. Let's send it, and we got a nice win here. So let's send it. Australian dollar, not OTC plus. So there you go. All right, next one is going to be Great Britain Pound OTC. Here we're once again going to be looking for a sell position this time around. However, we have a trend line that we're going to use to mark out our support and resistance levels. And look at this. Let's see how it lines up nicely. We place like this. So we had a breakout out of the level here. So what are we doing now? We're waiting to see the retest of this level. I'm gonna wait for this candle maybe to see. It's probably gonna go all the way down into the level, and we're gonna wait for one more candle to play out after this to see if the price is retesting the level and going back down or going back up. So let's see it. All right, Great Britain United States dollar, sell 3 minutes, same thing. We're gonna place it right now, and we're off like that. We have an intersection here. We have the price retesting this resistance level, but continuously getting pushed down. So I'm thinking that the price will go all the way to retest this trend line. This is what we're looking for, and let's see if we're able to get another trade in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, we are looking to take a martingale trade, another trade here in a sell position. And once again, this is why we do it. We want to make sure that if we have placed the initial trade and it didn't go through, however, the situation is pretty clear to me, the price will go down from this point on. There's just simply not enough volume to push the price up. So it's going to continue dropping down, and this is how we make our money back. Very, very simple. And we gave our friend another signal, and now we are looking to rake in all the profit here from this trade. So let's observe this. 2 minutes to go, and let's see if we're able to get another win for ourselves. And there it is. We got a nice profitable trade here, returned all the profit, and just like that, we send it to a friend. Super simple. Hope they got it as well. And this is what you do. You have to do these things. You cannot just go into the market and expect that every single trade is going to be going through, right? You want to make sure that your trades, even if you're looking like you're taking a loss, that you have analyzed the market and you understand your plan. I understood that the price will be retesting this level, so once I saw it go above my entry point and against my trade, I know that I have to place a martingale trade. This is what we did. We got the money back. We got the initial loss back. The payout was great. That means we got a full return plus some money on top. So we're continuing our trading session. Let's continue and let's do a few more trades. So our student also got a win here. Very nice. Let's mark it up and let's continue going. Let's maybe do a real market. Let's try to see how the situation is on real market and if we can find a solid trade on one of these charts. So let's go. Next up is going to be Euro Australian dollar. We are going to be looking to take a sell position. There is a strong level once again, so we're going to wait for the pushback on this candle. We're probably going to let this 1 minute play out, and after that we are going to place a trade. Once again, you can immediately place a trend line when you see the price heading in a downwards direction. So you can see that there was a breakout out of this level, and now the price is retesting the level. It retested the level once, went back all the way up, and this is where we can also add a horizontal line to see the level, and we place it right here. And you can see that the level starts to touch right here. So we are seeing a reversal here, 3-minute sell position in a couple of seconds. We just wait for this candle to close and we're gonna place our sell position. So let's do it, and we are good. Let's go ahead, place a sell position, and very simple. We are expecting a rejection here off of this level back into our trend line that we have right here. Probably gonna go all the way here. If not, we will once again place a martingale trade, but let's observe this 3 minutes and let's see it. And there it is, another trade. Once again, perfect analysis. We got our money, and let's send the screenshot. And just like that, we are 3 for 3. And it seems like they also got it. So that is really nice. This is the third trade that we got. And let's do one more trade. Let's do one more trade. And we can actually do a 1-minute trade here. All right, there you go. We're gonna place 1-minute buy position. There is quite a bit of volatility on this chart, so this might not be an easy trade. However, everything is pointing towards the mirroring of this move here, and the price obviously gonna move between these two levels that we have. All we need to do is simply wait. But I do like entering at the level. It is much better to enter at the level, not in the middle, because this is the type of trade that can go a little bit sideways if you are not catching the initial move. And we did miss out on initial move. I saw it, but the volatility was a bit high, so the price actually went up really fast and we didn't catch it. So I wanted to wait a little bit to see if it's going to drop. It did drop a little bit, but the volatility is still extremely high, so we might actually take a loss here, but we made already good profit. So let's observe how this plays out. Wow, the volatility is going crazy here. And do we get it? Yes, we do, sir. We do get it. Another win. Euro Australian dollar, another win for us. This is it. This is how simple it is. We went into the market, we got the money. So this is how we're gonna be trading. I'm gonna be showing you a breakdown of a trade. I'm not gonna do breakdown of each trade, but you should understand the basics of it. We are trading from levels here, so as simple as that. We got a confirmation candle, we had a strong candle, or a bullish engulfing pattern on a 1-minute time frame. So we knew that the price short term will go up here, and we had some room to work with. So obviously we placed a buy position trade. It was a little bit close here, but what matters in the end is that we got the money. So, and there we have it. There is the screenshot of our trading session. Our friend also made $131 from 330, so they went all the way to 460 if I'm correct. And just as simple as that, guys, that is how we do it. We go into the market, we find a good situation, I'm executing the trade, I'm sharing it with you, you copying it, and you are good to go. You're learning, you're making money. This is everything that you need as a trader. So if you want to trade like this, if you want to be a part of my community, make sure to send me a message on Telegram at handtrade_pro, or click the links in the description below. It is open to everybody, so all you need to do is simply send me a message. And once again, this is not everything that you're getting. We have trading robots, trading tutorials, strategies, and much more available for you, also completely for free. So check it out. Don't miss out on this opportunity. I appreciate you so much for showing support, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.